Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into some truly electrifying topics, and I mean that literally. We're going to explore the future of clean energy, electric vehicles, and even the cosmos. So buckle up as we take a ride through the mind of one of the most innovative thinkers of our time, Elon Musk. He recently had an interview at Tesla's Texas Gigafactory, and wow, did he cover a lot of ground. First off, let's talk about clean energy and sustainability. Musk pointed out that a staggering 99% of the energy we use still comes from fossil fuels. Can you believe that? It's like we're living in a time capsule. He emphasized that Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Think about it. Solar power, wind energy, and battery storage are the trifecta we need to make this happen. It's like a superhero team for our planet.
Wow, that's a huge percentage. So what's the plan? Are we just gonna wake up one day and everything will be solar powered? I mean, that sounds amazing, but how do we even get there?
Great question. It's not going to happen overnight, but Musk believes that with the right infrastructure and investment, we can make significant strides. For instance, he talked about the importance of economies of scale. The more we produce electric vehicles, the cheaper they become, which is why building massive production facilities like the Texas Gigafactory is crucial. It's like baking a cake. If you only make one, it's expensive. But if you make 100, the cost per cake goes down.
Oh, I get that. So it's like when you buy in bulk at Costco, you save money on, everything. But, what about the electric vehicles themselves? Are they really that different from regular cars?
Absolutely. Musk is transforming the automotive industry with high-performance, long-range electric vehicles. He's not just making cars, he's redefining what a car can be. Imagine driving a vehicle that not only accelerates faster than a sports car, but also has zero emissions. It's like the difference between a flip phone and a smartphone. Once you experience the latter, you can't go back.
Whoa, that's a cool analogy. So are we talking about, a future where everyone's driving electric cars? And what about those self-driving ones? I've seen some crazy videos online of cars just cruising around without anyone behind the wheel.
Exactly. Musk is confident that fully autonomous driving is on the horizon. He believes it will not only improve road safety, but also change how we travel. Picture this. You hop into your car, tell it where you want to go, and it takes you there while you relax or catch up on your favorite podcast. It's like having a personal chauffeur, but without the awkward small talk.
Haha, right? I mean, I love podcasts, but I don't want to chat about the weather every time. But what about the risks? I've heard people say that I could be dangerous. Is Musk worried about that?
He definitely acknowledges the risks of AI. Musk is a big advocate for developing safe AI technologies. He even mentioned Tesla's humanoid robot project, which aims to assist humans in daily tasks. It's like having a helpful sidekick, but we need to ensure that these robots are designed with safety in mind. Imagine if your robot assistant started making decisions for you. Yikes!
Oh man, that sounds like a sci-fi movie waiting to happen. So, what about Neuralink? I've heard of it, but I'm not really sure what it does. Is it like connecting our brains to computers? That sounds wild.
You're spot on. Neuralink is working on brain-computer interface technology. Musk believes it could help paralyzed patients regain mobility and even enhance cognitive abilities. It's like upgrading your brain to the latest software version. But of course, there are ethical considerations we need to address as we move forward.
Wow, that's both exciting and a little scary. So what happens if someone hacks into your brain? Do you have to change your password? Haha! But seriously, how do we balance innovation with ethics?
That's the million-dollar question. Musk emphasizes that as we advance technologically, we must also consider the ethical implications. It's crucial for tech companies to prioritize humanity's interests over profits. It's like being a responsible parent. You want to nurture growth while ensuring safety.
I love that analogy. So, what about education? I've heard Musk has some strong opinions on that too. Is he saying we need to change how we teach kids?
Absolutely. Musk believes the current education system needs reform to keep up with our rapidly changing world. He encourages young people to learn a diverse range of skills, especially in engineering, programming, and AI. It's like preparing for a treasure hunt. You need a map, tools, and a bit of creativity to find the gold.
That's such a cool way to put it. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Are we really on the brink of a new era?
Yes, Musk paints an exciting picture of the future. Widespread clean energy, autonomous vehicles, AI assisting our daily lives, and even humans exploring Mars. It may sound ambitious, but with persistent effort, it's achievable. It's like planting a seed today to enjoy the fruits tomorrow.
I'm so pumped about this. It feels like we're living in a sci-fi novel. But, what can we do as individuals to help make this future a reality?
Great question. We can start by embracing sustainable practices, supporting clean energy initiatives, and staying informed about technological advancements. Every small action counts. It's like being part of a massive team effort. Together, we can tackle global challenges and create a better future for everyone.
Wow, I love that. It's like we're all superheroes in our own way. Thanks for breaking all this down. It's been such an eye-opener.